Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. What am I making today? Well, I'm going to be making some fried okra. So I did get the gluten-free. You can find this season. I'm going to add other seasonings to that. But I'm also making fried catfish. Fried catfish, some okra. I'm going to take some sweet potatoes out, cut those up, make some sweet potato fry. Maybe a little salad on the side. Y'all, this is going to be good. So anyway, I'm going to show you this part. And I'm not going to make this video like super long today. Because, I don't know, I haven't been feeling too good lately. It's a menopause thing. But anyway, so there's this part. I got some tomatoes. These were 2 packages for $3. So they were like $1 something each. So, you know, I picked that up. And y'all, I'm picky when it comes down to tomatoes. I am seriously picky. And then I got some pre-diced red onion, good for gut health. So that'll also go good with okra. So yeah, wait for all of this to just be all, you know. Okay, I was just kidding about the transition in between. You know, I'm using these instead of mine. These are Rob's. He don't really use them. I use them when I need to. So I'll put the okra in this one and the fish in this one. So, there's my ingredients. I had to bring out some egg. But yeah, now I'm going to get this going. This is a good pan. This is one of those. Which brand is this? Oh, there it is. That is a good brand, actually. So, yeah. I wish you could smell this. And look how crisp that's getting. This is going to be yummy. And it smells great in here. Look how crisp this okra is getting. And it smells fabulous in here. Okay, so I had to rest for a bit. I did the okra. Rob and Steve did the rest. Okay, so what do y'all think of the okra?
Good. It's good.
Rob's never made fried catfish before. So he's hoping that it turned out, oh my God, the okra. Same breading for the fish. The dog's over there fussing. Fish is pretty good. And then there's a little salad on there, so you can have some of that. Y'all, it's healthy, it's old school, it's gluten-free. And it's made by, let's see, this one can be titled Cooking with Char, Steve, and Rob.
Mostly him than me.
Well, I did all the okra. So anyway, Steve was assisting Rob, that's why. So anyway, yeah. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and it's always stay blessing to eat this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.